Now you can see the picture given here. P waves, totally straight line. S waves, they are going in a, or they are moving like a wave movement, like a wave. You can see surface waves. Surface waves, they are also, their direction is also different. Now we will see secondary or S waves. These waves which reach the earth's surface after the primary waves are called secondary waves. See, primary waves or P waves are first waves, and which is followed by secondary waves. These waves scatter in all directions from the focus of the earthquake. That means where the focus of the earthquake is there, where the accumulation of energy is there, these secondary waves, they get scatter. That means they travel in all directions. They scatter themselves in all directions from the focus of the earthquake. Their velocity is lesser than the primary waves. That means primary waves are having more velocity than secondary waves. Speed is more. Primary waves are having more speed compared to secondary waves. The particles lying in the way of these waves move up and down. Remember children, primary waves में forward backward था और इसमें up and down in the direction of energy transfer. These waves can travel only through the solid medium. Primary waves can travel through liquid medium. Understood? And secondary waves, they can travel through solid medium. They get absorbed as they enter the liquid medium. When secondary waves, they enter into liquid medium, they are absorbed. That means there is no movement. The building on the earth's surface moves up and down because of these waves. Up and down, forward, backward, these are the different directions of which is created by primary waves and secondary waves. So the buildings on the earth's surface move up and down because of these waves. These waves are more destructive than the primary waves. Remember children, primary waves compared to secondary waves or secondary waves compared to primary waves are more destructive. More destructive, that means during earthquake, due to this secondary waves, the destruction above the surface of earth is more. The intensity of destruction is more. Understood? Now we will see surface or L waves. These are generated after the main primary and secondary waves reach the epicenter. Epicenter, that means the place where these directions are or the waves are scattered or they reach first up to the surface of earth. So these surface or L waves, they are generated after main, primary and secondary waves reach the epicenter. They travel in direction of the circumference of the earth along the crust. They are highly destructive. So secondary waves were also destructive and surface waves, they are also destructive. They travel in direction of circumference of the earth along the crust. That means round in radial direction, and they are highly destructive. So we studied about primary waves, P waves, secondary waves, S waves, and surface waves or surface or L waves. So these waves can travel through all the three states, which primary waves. Understood? But while traveling through liquid medium, the direction gets changed. But secondary waves travel only through solid medium. And surface waves or L waves, they travel in direction of the circumference of the earth along the crust. Now children, we will see effect of earthquake. As we are studying about sudden movement, we are supposed to read about earthquake, what are the causes of earthquake. Now we will see effect of earthquake. Already we know that earthquake always bring destruction. First point, you can see cracks, fractures develop on the ground. That means there is a crack or fracture on the upper layer of the earth crust. Causes landslide which leads to sliding of rocks. आपको मालूम है लैंडस्लाइड क्या होता है? बड़े बड़े पहाड़ से पत्थर नीचे गिरते हैं और डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है, बहुत सारे डैमेजेस हो जाते हैं. अगर उसके नीचे कोई गांव है, कोई विलेज है, वो पूरा का पूरा डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है. समटाइम्स द ग्राउंड वाटर चेंजेस इट्स कोर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेल्स में गेट वाटर और में ड्राई अप. कभी कभी अंडरग्राउंड वाटर होता है, उनका डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाता है. Some areas get uplifted while some may subside. So already I told you that uplifted or some areas are there or sometime subside, or it can be it goes down. Tsunamis are generated in ocean. Already I told you before giving introduction of this lesson that volcanoes, earthquakes followed by tsunami. So whenever there is earthquake, generation of earthquake is there, it is always followed by tsunami.